Hi everyone, welcome back to Pastel Polene channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my first Polene unboxing, my first impression of the bag, the price, including the shipping experience of this bag. This is the first time that I bought from Polene, and here comes the box. It actually comes in the puzzle round box, and when you open that box you see this white box here like this. So I already opened it, but I gonna show you what the packaging looks like. So it comes in with this very pretty card, and it was wrapped with the paper like this. And this is the bag that I choose from my birthday gift. This is a Polene #1 and one of the most popular bag in the collection. I have seen so many influencers carry this bag, and it's so cute and so pretty. I choose the size in nano size. They have quite a few sizes that you can check it out from their website. And the color of this bag is in peach, which is a new color. And there also comes with the dust bag, which I think is in a very great quality. For my first impression of this bag, it is so tiny. My first impression is like, why it is so cute and so tiny, and the color is slightly lighter than what shown on the website, but however I love the color. I love the peach. To me, and reflecting in the camera, I feel it's more like a beige tone rather than a deep peach. And the size of the bag, although it's so mini, so pretty small, but I think it fit quite a few items inside because it's quite spacious. So inside they have this button. You can just remove it, then you can still close the bag. So I plan to remove this, but I just want to show you how it looks like when I first receive it. So if you remove this button, it becomes bigger when you open the bag, and inside, because it's kind of the structure is not a square kind of shape, so it's more roomy, and definitely it can fit in the phone very easily. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is the big one, so it fits inside perfectly, and also have other space that you can put other thing else. Small wallet should work, and some few of like key pouch or cosmetics that you want to bring along. So it's a perfect size for everyday kind of bag that you don't carry a lot of things. And inside the material is cloth, so it's not a velvet leather, it's cloth material. In terms of the stitching, I found it very nice, and it feels like a luxury bag that it can cost maybe near to $1,000, but I paid $600 for it, or 380 USD. So I think it's quite worth the money in terms of the quality of the bag. So everyone have the positive feedback in terms of the quality, which I think is really matched my expectation. The hardware is in gold. You see the small Polene logo over here. That comes with total of 4 feet, and I would say that this magnet, right, is not quite fit in, as like you have to push it a little bit, adjust it a little bit, but it's not like automatically back in, so it needs some effort on this. In terms of the strap, when I received it, it seemed to be too long for my height, but it is adjustable, so it's not easy to adjust it. So make sure that you adjust it and then leave it like that, because you have to adjust on both sides. But it takes me a while to take this in and out and adjust here and there, because maybe it's very new. I go for the shortest one because my height is 160 cm. And at the back, they have one small pocket here where you can put cards or any receipt. For the price, it costs 380 USD on the website, and it's slightly cheaper when it comes to euro, but I have to choose USD because I want to ship this bag to Singapore, and to ship over to Singapore you have to pay around 20 USD extra for the shipping, and then you have to pay tax as well for the bag, because now everything that import into the country is you have to pay 7% tax. And from here, I want to share with you my experience of how to ship out the bag, how long we wait for the bag. I wait for the bag for a very long time. They say that they will ship out within 5 working days, but it's not really 5 working days. They ship out the bag really late, and then I saw like a lot of people complain even in the on the Instagram or comments and all. When I ask when will the bag will ship out, they don't have a quick reply. They reply very slow, like a few days after that. So in terms of the service, is not that quick, and a lot of people complains about the service, shipping and all. I feel like my bag is kind of pre-order kind of thing that they cannot immediately ship out, or maybe so many people ordering the bag and it's quite popular at the moment. That's why the shipping timeline is longer than expected. But it would be great if they can write it, in their website, that gives some information that it's gonna be late, and it takes like almost 3 weeks to reach Singapore. Although after when they ship out the DHL, the shipment was very quick. They ship out from Spain, even though the brand itself is French brand. They ship out from Spain, and when it reaches Singapore, it takes just a few days. So after they ship out the bag, everything seems to be faster process because it's already handled by DHL. I'm gonna insert the video that I carry this bag as well, so that you can see how it looks like on me, and especially with my height. Again, I'm 160 cm tall, so I'm not a tall person, but this bag can fit me perfectly if I adjust it to the shortest one. And that is all about the unboxing today. This is my birthday bag unboxing video, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and see you again in the next video. Bye.